Hello dear children. In this video we will have a look at the solution of exercise 11.2. Okay. So in this exercise we can skip question number 2 and 6. Okay. However, if you feel like trying it, you can try and show me your work. Okay. So the first question here in this exercise is 7x plus 6 minus this square bracket 9x minus then we have the curved bracket, okay, minus 6x minus 4, okay, and then we have a bar bracket also, okay. Then this bar bracket is also known as the Venn column, okay. Now you can see this particular question as a simplification. We have solved this in case of integers. We have solved this in the decimals also, okay. Even in fractions we have seen this. So this is your simplification question, and this normally follows the BODMAS rule, okay. That is the first the bracket and then off, okay, and then the division, uh, multiplication and addition and subtraction, okay. So we follow a series of mathematical operations in an order. So the first task is to remove this Venn column, okay. So when you open this Venn column or the bar bracket, it will remain constant, okay. This will remain constant, remember, okay. But in this question number 3, if you just see it, the signs will be changed, okay. So this will remain minus as it is, so minus into plus, it will be minus. So uh, it will be minus 12y, okay. But in this question number 1, when you remove this Venn column, no sign will be changed. Why? Because everything, okay, both these two terms are inside the bracket, okay. This entire expression is inside the bracket, hence no sign will be changed, only that Venn column will be removed, okay, and it will remain as it is. And when you open the curved bracket out here, this minus and minus, it will multiply and it will give you plus, okay. Again, minus into minus, it will be plus. So now in the next line, you have to do the mathematical operation out here, okay. You have to perform mathematical operation. So 9x and 6x, they are the like terms. So when they are the like terms, you do add or subtraction, okay. So 9 plus 6, it will be 15, so it will be 15x plus 4. Now no more mathematical operation can be performed out here. So in the next line, you will open the bracket, okay. So this will remain minus, okay. So minus into plus, it will be minus. Again here, minus into plus, it will be minus, okay, like this. And after this, you can arrange them, okay. So you can bring all the like terms together, okay, and the constants in the other side. So 7x minus 15x, it will give you minus 8x, okay. So this is your plus 6 and minus 4, so it will give you plus 2. So hence minus 8x plus 2 is your answer for the first question, okay. Now let us move on to the second question, that is question number 3. So question number 3 is somewhat like this: 4x minus 2y plus 1 by 3. Now open the bracket. 9x minus 6x plus 12y, Venn column, then close the bracket. So here you have to first open this bar bracket or the Venn column. So when you open the Venn column or the bar bracket, signs will be changed. The sign of 6x, it will remain constant, and the sign of this 12y will be changed, okay. So it will be minus 12y, okay. Now in this line, you can see that 9x and 6x, they are the like terms. So you perform mathematical operation. So 9 minus 6, it will be 3x, okay, minus 12y. So after this, you have to open the bracket. And remember, this is your fraction 1 by 3, which means this fraction will multiply with both these numbers, okay. And the sign of this fraction is plus out here, okay. So remember, when you are multiplying this fraction or any whole number or the natural number given out here, you have to look at the sign also. If the sign was minus, then it would be minus and plus out here. But since the sign is same out, it is plus, so everything will remain same as it is. That is plus and minus out here. Okay, so we assume that this 3x and 12y, they have the invisible 1 as denominator. Okay, we have learned this in the chapter called fraction, so it will multiply. Okay, so 1 by 3 into 3x, it will be 3x by 3. Okay, and 1 by 3 into 12y, it will be minus 12y. Okay, because plus into minus, it is minus. Okay, so in the next line you can solve this. Okay, so 3 and 3, when 3 will divide 3x, it will be only x, because 3 ones are 3, isn't it? So 3 will divide 12y for 4 times, so 3 fours are 12y. Okay, you can simply do the calculation out here also. Okay, so it will remain x and 4y out here. You can skip this section if you understand this uh, operation out here. Okay, so after getting this number, after reaching this step, you have to arrange them in the order. So 4x and x should be together. You have to bring closer the like terms. Okay, and perform the mathematical operation, and you will get the answer 5x minus 6y. Okay, 5x minus 6y. So in question number 4 also, you have to perform the same thing, and it is very, very simple. Okay, this 6 given out here will multiply with this entire term. Okay, and this minus 8 will multiply with this entire term. So 6 5 the 30y square, 6 9 the 54y, 6 into minus 10, it will be minus 60. Okay, now this is minus 8, so minus 8 into 4y square, it will be minus 32y square. So minus into plus, it is minus, so 8 7s are 56y. Okay, so minus into minus, it is plus, so 8 8s are 64. Now bring all these like terms together and perform the mathematical operation just to get the answer. Okay, so I have not solved this question number 4 entirely. Okay, now you can solve this. Now let us move on to question number 5. It seems quite heavy, isn't it? So the expression is like 7z plus 4 minus curved bracket 4z plus 3 plus 3. Now open the curved bracket. Oh, sorry, this is your curly bracket. Sorry. Yeah, open the curved bracket. So 2z plus 1 minus 3z minus 3. So close all the brackets out here, and we have the win column also. Okay. So then, so the first task will be to remove this win column. Okay. So whenever you remove this win column, you know already that the sign will be changed. Okay. So this minus 3, it will become plus 3. Why? Because only these terms are not inside the bracket. Okay. Along with them, we have the other expressions also. Unlike in question number 1. Let me go to, let us go to question number 1. Okay. Can you see this out here? The same case was prevailing in question number 3 also. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept. Okay, let us come back to question number 5. So this 3 will change its sign. Now here you have to perform the mathematical operation. Okay, simply you can solve directly, or you first bring all the like terms together and perform the mathematical operation to get the answer. Okay, minus z plus 4. Now after this, after reaching this step, you have to multiply this 3 with minus z and plus 4. So it will be plus into minus minus 3z plus into plus, it will be plus. So 3 4s are 12. Now in this step also, you have to perform the mathematical operation. Okay, just to get your answer as z plus 15. Now in this step, you have to open the bracket. So when you open the bracket, it will be minus z minus 15. Now perform the mathematical operation just to get your answer as 6z minus 11. Okay, it's very, very simple. You just have to focus when you have to open the bracket. Okay, what to do first. Okay, you must know the board mass, by the way. Okay, and you have to be very much careful with the signs, that is plus and minus. Okay, be it the simplification of integers, fractions, decimals, or this kind of algebraic expressions. Okay, you just have to know two things in general, that is the rule of BODMAS and the properties of this signs plus and minus. Okay, what happens when it multiply with each other, and what happens when you open the bracket, okay, to the signs, that is plus and minus. So that was your exercise 11.2.